Today I'm going to show you how to do the star stitch. This stitch is technically called the Algerian Eye Stitch, but I'll use a star stitch since it's shorter and to the point. Starting at one end point of the stars, pull your needle from the back of the hoop to the front. Take your needle directly through the center of the star and pull through to the back. Going clockwise, take your needle to the next end point of the star and pull to the front. Again, take your needle through the center of the star and pull it to the back. You'll repeat this process as you make your way around the star. It's important as you pull through the center each time that you try to get it through the exact same hole. I've drawn a few different star shapes on my cotton fabric using a thin Sharpie so that it showed up easily on the video. I'll link a video below where I showed the technique of how I trace patterns onto my fabric using water-soluble dressmaker's pencils. That's typically the route I go when tracing an embroidery pattern. For the first two stars, I used 6 strands of embroidery floss. On this last star, because I have so many more lines, I'm going to use 3 strands of embroidery floss for my skein. You can see the difference in the end result of the star by switching the amount of threads. And that is all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found this video helpful. I've also linked a video below showing how I create my signature layered stars. If you're interested in learning more about that, you can check it out. You can also visit my website, thethreadhoney.com, for updates, embroidery supplies, kits, and patterns.